I pulled my fan early this morning and the CPU came out with it. I'll show you how I removed it successfully. Begin by warming with a hairdryer. The heatsink is incredibly conductive and absorbs the heat energy, which warms the junction with the CPU, softens the paste. After around 90 seconds, the thermal compound will have absorbed enough heat to change state and become less solid. One of my favourite tools is this Stilson wrench. I love a bargain.
In the noughties, you could have bought water pump pliers, which probably would have done the same job for £1 or £2. This Stilson is at least 5 to 10 quid's worth. It's a good big wrench.
I don't need to use all its torque, and attempting to angle it that way is impeded by these screws protruding. I lash on at right angles and twist very gently. Before heating it, I tried pushing a Stanley blade into the junction. The compound wasn't hard, but it wasn't runny either. It's dangerous, but at least I removed the excess product. It doesn't work. You won't get leverage pushing a thin blade in there. Maybe if you had a fat handle, but it's still not advisable because you'll scratch it.